guys, Country Style here. Right now we're at the suspension bridge over the Red River. We're on the Sheltowee Trace today, and we're gonna hike 8 or 9 miles toward Natural Bridge, which is another famous state park here in Kentucky. Our crew, a lot of the usual suspects. We've got Johnny Bluegrass, Joe Ray, and Jenny Ann, and of course, let's not forget our trail mascot Phoebe.
I did hear a rumor it was supposed to be badass today.
Hey, this is Johnny Bluegrass here. When you come off the bridge, you want to go right. And remember to follow the turtle shells and the white diamonds. Hey, this is Johnny Bluegrass here. We're coming on the Sheltowee Trace. We're about a little bit down from the suspension bridge. We are at the famous Jump Rock. It's also a great watering hole for people to take a nice, quick little cool bath. So I snapped a couple pictures up there, and once you have your fill, back on the trail.
Hey guys, Jenny Ann here. We have to cross the creek again.
Country Style here. We're gonna take a right here. Take a left, that's the rest of Rough Trail, Trail 221.
Hey, this is Johnny Bluegrass here for the safety tip of the day. Be aware of heat exhaustion. When it's hot out like it is today, you want to wear loose fitting clothes, mostly cotton blend I would say. I like to go 100% cotton. Many moons ago I tried to climb the Devastator in a synthetic polyester blend, which doesn't breathe very well. I started to get very hot. I got dizzy. I stopped sweating. I might become nauseous. So if any of these signs start coming on a hot day, stop what you're doing, take a break, try to cool down, drink lots of water.
Hey, Joe right here. We're to this intersection here. The Rough Trail goes this way, the 221, and it'll go down the Gray's Arch. But we're going to stay this way up to Tunnel Ridge Road on the Pinch and Tots to Whittleton Arch.
So we're coming down Pincham Tight Trail, and we're headed in the direction of Tunnel Ridge Road.
Yeah. Hey, it's Johnny Bluegrass here. We're crossing Tunnel Ridge Road. This takes you to Oxier Ridge and some other nice place. There's the Gray's Arch parking lots right there. But what we're going to do is continue across the road towards Whittleton Arch.
Hey y'all, Jenny Ann. We pass through this Pincham Tight parking lot, and we get back on the trails right there.
Hey, so it's Johnny Bluegrass here. We're back on the Tunnel Ridge Road. What we're going to have to do is go take the bridge over across the Mountain Parkway.
All right, we just got done crossing Tunnel Ridge Road. We've come to the Whittleton Branch trailhead and just a few more miles to Natural Bridge.
This is the Reading Night Live.
Jenny Ann here. You want to continue on to the right to stay on the trail, but we're going to take another route and go to the left here to check out a really cool arch, Whittleton Arch.
Style here, checking in at Wilton Arch. It's got a lot of natural beauty. It's kind of shaped like a funnel. It's small and narrow at the top, and then it just kind of empties into this big rock shelter looking thing.
It's Johnny Bluegrass here. We're at Whittleton parking area right here. So we're just coming up here. We're going to go on to the Natural Bridge parking area.
Hey, is that right here? We're actually at Whittleton campground, and we're actually going to head up this trail. There's a waterfall up there. We're going to check it out.
Hey, this is Johnny Bluegrass here. We're at this waterfall. I think it's called Sasquatch Falls.
Therapy. Psychosomatic. That boy needs therapy. Purely psychosomatic.
This is Johnny Bluegrass here at the bottom of Sasquatch Falls. As you can see, it's a really nice place to cool down. Here's where Sasquatch comes in and out to get to the drinking water. So it's a short distance from the campsite, so it's worth checking out.
That boy needs therapy.
Country Style here. We're crossing into Natural Bridge State Park. The Sheltowee runs through part of it, but while we're on the trail, we're going to hit up Natural Bridge and a couple other landmarks in the area.
Avalanche is above, business continues below.
Did I ever tell you the story about
Cowboys.
Midgets. Indians and frontier society.
I felt strangely hypnotized.
Hey, this is Johnny Bluegrass here. There's a lot of areas in Natural Bridge State Park that you can go and explore. One of them was Miguel's Pizzeria, which we went to. So we're taking a different path to Natural Bridge.
Violin.
Frontier psychiatry.
Hey, this is Johnny Bluegrass here. We're now just like part of one of the jewels of going on these side trails is the Great Leno Rock, named after great comedian Jay Leno. Hey, this is Johnny Bluegrass here, and I'm just taking a quick stop here at this beautiful rock wall made of sandstone. All the gorge used to be a part of an inland sea many millions of years ago. And so this is a really great example of seeing all the different layers of time. Millions of years of time.
And here I sit and on the telephone, hearing a voice I'd known a couple of light years ago, heading straight for a fall.
Hey, this is Johnny Bluegrass here, sitting on top of Natural Bridge. Woo! Right over there is Laurel Point. You can go over there, just take the trail around. It's pretty well marked. It's a great way to look at the arch from another vantage point.
Okay. Hey y'all, Jenny Ann here. When you come up the hill, you hit the intersection of Balanced Rock Trail and Sand Gap Trail. Even though it says it's gonna be a while, you take the Sand Gap Trail and then we'll lead you from there. And then it gets back on the Sheltowee.
As soon as you are able, woman, I am weak.
Hey, this is Johnny Bluegrass here. We are up on top of White Branch Arch. We think we found the trail to go down, so it would be about halfway on top of the arch and for this nice scenic view. Hey, it's Johnny Bluegrass here, being very careful coming down to this base of this arch. There's a little rope here in case you need it.
Taking in beautiful White Branch Arch. You're gonna hit back on the Sheltowee and keep on trucking.
I feel my favorite line is Jim Owen. Hey, maybe about a half mile after the arch, there's actually a really cool camp spot up here. But as we've always highlighted, take your trash out with you. Don't litter.
Come on, redneck.
Hey y'all, Jenny Ann here. This boundary is where you leave Natural Bridge State Park and you keep heading on the Sheltowee Trace. So we're going southbound still.
All right, country style here. When you come out from this rock barricade and guardrail, you're gonna hang a right, continue on the Sheltowee. There's two other roads at this intersection. Just remember, as you come out, take a right.
Hey y'all, Jenny Ann. So this is Big Bend. We just keep heading south to 1036.
All right, this is country style here. So we've reached the junction with 1036, and next step, you take a right on 1036, and actually the next about 6 miles of hiking is all on paved roads. So when we pick back up, you'll probably see us a little further down the trail. We may not do all those paved sections, but for now, tune in next time for more of the Sheltowee Trace. So this is Red River Underground signing out.